In this scenario, we will create a uPerform recording using Content Studio. Start the steps in the relevant project and document library folder on the uPerform Management Center. Click Add Document. Click and enter name. Example, add an appointment. Click and enter description. Example, add a patient appointment. Optionally, you can leave the description blank and add it later. Type defaults to document, which is correct for Content Studio documents. Most often you will leave this as the default setting to launch the recorder to capture new content. Note there is also an Open Editor option available if you want to create a document by manually adding steps and screenshots instead. These values will default if there is only one template and property set to choose from. If you are unsure of these values, please check with your uPerform lead author or administrator. We recommend to enter any known document properties at this time, otherwise they can be entered during the document check-in phase. Click Save. The uPerform recorder is launched. Browse to the target application being recorded before clicking the red button. In this scenario, you are tasked with recording the workflow to add a patient appointment into their EHR. Click the red button to record. Click to select the first step in the workflow. Example, add appointment. The uPerform recorder window shows the steps being captured. Here we can also pause, resume, and finalize the recording. While there is no undo button currently, steps can easily be deleted or changed during the editing phase for this document. Click and enter the details for the next step in the workflow. Example, be well. Click and enter the details for the next step in the workflow. Example, broken arm. Click to select the next step in the workflow. Example, save. Once the steps have all been captured, click Finalize Recording. Click Start Editing. After finalizing the recording, it can now be edited as a draft document in the uPerform Management Center. Edits are continuously saved to the website.